So as an architect designer, I must say that I had a great time to work with Europa on this project. 48 apartments, and we made all the kitchens and wardrobe systems in this project with Europa. The ability to design whatever I want and to have everything custom built for me, I think this is what all we are asking for.
At Europa Kitchens and Closets, we specialize in millwork packages for multifamily developers. Allow us to save you money from inspiration to installation. We look forward to working with you.